Hello students, welcome in English class. In today's class we will continue the topic part second, the enemy. So in last class we discussed that one American soldier during World War II was injured by the bullet of Japanese soldier. He was lying on the seashore near the house of Dr. Shadav. Dr. Shadav brought the enemy soldier to his house. He decided to do his duty as a doctor. As we we know that the doctor is compared with God. The doctor tries to save his patient at any cost. The doctor doesn't think that his patient belongs to which caste, which color, which country, etc. For a doctor, he is a patient only, and the duty and religion of the doctor to save him. So, in this story, also finally, Dr. Shadav brought the enemy soldier to his house. He decided to operate the enemy soldier and bring out the bullet from his body. His servants did not approve of his idea, and they did not come to him during the operation also. And Dr. Shadav's wife Hannah helped the doctor during the operation. So let's continue the lesson. So finally, all the servants of Dr. Shadav, they decided to leave their job. Dr. Shadav's servants failed to understand his sense of commitment to his profession. They wanted the doctor to hand over the enemy soldier to the police. When the doctor did not do so, all of them left the house. The condition of the soldier began to improve day by day. So after that, Dr. Shadav decided to fulfill his duty as a citizen. Now Dr. Shadav typed a letter to the chief of police reporting the whole matter. He put the letter into the drawer of his table, and then he by chance forgot that letter. It means the doctor did not hand over the letter to the chief of the police. After some days, another incident happened. One day, an official messenger came to Dr. Shadav's house. That messenger was from Japanese army. Hannah got frightened looking at him. She thought that the servants might have informed the police about the presence of army American army soldier in their house. In fact, the general was in pain and he called the doctor. Actually, this was another reason. The general of Japanese army was in pain and he called the doctor immediately. As we read earlier, the Japanese army general believed this doctor very well. That is why the general did not send this doctor with army troops. So after that, Dr. Sadev went to the general house to attend him, and there was a meeting between the two. He had a meeting with the general. Dr. Sadev went to see the general. He told the general everything about the enemy soldier. The general had faith in the doctor and he did not doubt his loyalty. But to save him from any problem, he promised to send his private assassins, private killers, to kill the soldier at his house. So the general of the army thought that if he will disclose this matter, perhaps the doctor will be given punishment, he will be arrested, and then who will then take care of him, who will make of his treatment. So the general decided not to disclose this matter, but the general decided to do another method, another step to solve this problem. And general told the doctor, actually, I will kill my personal killer to your house during night, and they will kill the enemy soldier, and this problem will be solved. So then Dr. Shadav's worry. So when many days passed and no assassin or killer came to his house, so Dr. Shadav became very restless, very worried. He did not know what to do. At last he decided to do something himself to help the soldier to escape in a boat. He put food, clothes, and water in the boat, and he told the soldier that if he reached the island not far from the coast, he could be rescued by some Korean fishing boat. It means the doctor decided to help him to escape from there. He told him a nearby island and he provided his personal boat to him. He provided all the facility to him. The soldier thanked him for saving his life. So Sadev meeting with the general. After some days again, the general called the doctor again. So then the doctor found the general condition better. He told the general about the prisoner escape. He told the general that actually the prisoner ran away, he escaped. And the general told him that he had forgotten to send the assassins. So then the general told the doctor, actually, it is my fault. And I couldn't send my personal killer to your house. Both had faith in each other, and he decided to keep it a secret. So then Dr. Shida was in a thoughtful mood. Standing in his veranda, Dr. Shida was looking out of the sea from where the soldier had come. He still wondered why he could not kill him. He thought the young man must have escaped safely, for he had received no signal from him. So the doctor still wondered that no doubt the man was my enemy, was the enemy of our country. He was an American. America and Japan were enemy with each other in Second World War. The doctor was still wondered and confused why he could not kill his enemy, and this is perhaps due to the humanity. doctor should have humanity overpowered his duty as a citizen. So in next class we will discuss the question of this lesson. Thank you.